Chinmoy Das, alias Chinmoy Provu, has become a household name in Bangladesh and has become a hero for many Hindus in Bangladesh. And it has become also a talked about issue in various medias in India. He's being looked upon as a hero to many. Why is that? Because he wants to talk about protecting minority rights or something deeper behind it? He was arrested recently on accusations of treason following a case submitted by a BNP leader who was eventually expelled from BNP as well for violating party policies of prior permission from the party to go ahead with this case. Nevertheless, Chinmoy Provu was denied bail recently, even though, as I said, the BNP leader was expelled from the party. There are accusations of land grabbing by this Chinmoy in Chittagong, Hathazari area. But is there something sinister that we don't know much about? ISKCON expelled Chinmoy Provu recently. Why? They should be rather standing by their hero. But why did ISKCON in Bangladesh expel him? Forget about he being denied a fair trial because no lawyer represented him at the court or could not represent him at the court in fear of retaliation from opposition lawyers. But nevertheless, why shouldn't ISKCON in Bangladesh be brave enough to stand by him if he was right? So we dug deeper and we came to know that Mr. Krishna Das or Chinmoy Krishna Das was restricted from meeting children below the age of 18 because there were allegations of child abuse against him in London. So there are news media activists who contacted ISKCON England and they confirmed the truth that he was, rather restricted from carrying out any kind of religious rites, and he was restricted from meeting or being with children below the age of 18 following allegations of child abuse. And that restriction is still in place. That was not cancelled. So why should Indians or Hindus or minorities should consider this man a hero when he has serious allegations against him? And here's a snapshot about that. And you can do your own investigation. But other thing is, any country, any government can arrest someone or anyone if there are reasons of national security. And that trial can take place behind public eyes. And the government doesn't have to disclose many top secret issues to the public for many decades at least, depending on the country we're talking about. But Bangladesh government is not disclosing, I think, many things that the government knows. If that's the case, Bangladesh government should be clear about it, but that there are reasons of treason or conspiracy against the sovereignty of Bangladesh, and the reasons can't be compromised, can't be expressed to the public. He was denied bail, and his bail hearing is suspended for about, or delayed for about a month. So we still have to look forward to it. But India should be careful, or the Muslims should be careful who are supporting him, to give him just a clean slate, because this seems to be much deeper an issue than eyes can see. If it is a national issue, national sovereignty issue, Bangladesh government should be clear about it, that there are reasons that can be explained, or that can be explained to the public at least. It's beyond the reason initially that the BNP leader had raised about this man. So think twice now before standing by this man.